Question number 16. So we have two parts. First part is simplify under root 59.29 minus 5.29 under root divide by under root 59.29 plus under root 5.29. So in this question we have to generally solve 59.29 and 5.29 value for the simplest term without the root. So for 59.29 we can write it as by removing the decimal and taking the 100 in the denominator. So we can write it as this, because when we shift decimal to the right we get 0.29. So when we shift decimal to the right place we get over 10 raised to the power minus 2, and which is equals to 5929 upon 100. So this is the simplification of this term. So from this we know that under root 100 is 10, and to find the under root 5929 we'll factorize it. So after factorization we get 7 into 7 into 11 into 11. So we have a pair of 11 and a pair of 7. So this becomes 7 into 11 by 10. So this becomes 77 from here divided by 10, that is 7.7. So we'll put this 7.7 in this and in this. So next is 5.29. So similarly 5.29 can be written as 592 divided by 100, and 100 under root is 10, and for 529 we have the factors 23 into 23. So under root 5 to 9 is 23. So answer will become 23 by 10 in the simplest form, and 23 by 10 can be written as 2.3. So we'll put this 2.3 in place of under root 5.29 over here and over here. So by putting 7.7, 2.3 in the respective places we get answer as like this. So 7.7 minus 2.3 upon 7.7 plus 2.3. So this gives us 5.4, and up here is 10. So 5.4 upon 10 give us the answer 0.54, which is equals to this. Second part we have, in the second part we have two number to solve as the previous, that is 0.2304 first number and 0.1764, that is this number. So we'll solve this number, put these values over here and over here respectively. So solving 0.2304 we can write this as 2304 upon 10,000, because we have 4 zeros in 4 decimal places, 4 places over right of the decimal. So we'll divide that by 10 into raised to the power 4. So by factorizing 2304 we get the factors as 2 into 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 3 into 3. So we'll form the pairs. So by forming the pairs we get our answer as 2 from here, 2 from here, 2 from here, 2 from here, and 3 from here, and we have a pair of 2 zeros here, so this will become 100. So under root of 10,000 is 100. So this becomes 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, and 16 into 3 is 42. So 42 divided by 100 gives us 0.42. and by solving under root 1764 upon under root 10,000, we can write it as, so under root of 1764 by using the prime factorization will get us the value is equals to